Okay, so if you want to control your robot with your phone, there are a few things you're going to have to do first. Number one, you need to copy the file that is that ends with APK, and that's the file from once you are in the once you download the stuff from the GitHub, where you have all the programs written to test the components. There is the APK files, and you go in there and you copy that APK file, some kind of a name.apk. Go ahead and copy that into your phone's download folder or into the SD card. Put it in one of those two places so you know where to find it. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to download 3 different programs. You're going to download a file called APK Installer, okay? And you're going to download those things from Play Store, you know, and that's this icon on the second one from the right on the screen. Now you're gonna from there you're gonna download the robot, then my Wi-Fi user, and APK installer. Okay, those 3 programs. Once you have that, then make sure that you upload the Wi-Fi program that controls the robot by Wi-Fi, and then unplug it, flip this little tiny switch to the left, which is towards this screen, towards this lights, not from the original side. By the way, when you're uploading anything, it doesn't matter what you're uploading, you have to have this Wi-Fi off, this little tiny switch. And then just before you after you upload the program, just before you turn the main switch on, you flip this tiny switch to the left, the opposite side than it was, and then you can go ahead and turn the switch, the main power switch on. And then something will appear on the LCD screen. In my case, it says Wi-Fi prepared, I think. And once you have that, then it is ready to receive or sync with your program that you're going to run here. Now, on the phone, you're going to run first my Wi-Fi scanner, user scanner, and you're going to wait until it finds some stuff, and it should find, if you get a commercial, just close it. And you're going to have 4 icons: Wi-Fi devices, scan Wi-Fi, network, and Wi-Fi info. So let's go ahead and click scan Wi-Fi, only this time, and then you're going to have things listed in there. And in my case, the last one says COKOINO ESP01. You click on that and click yes. And then what's going to happen, you're going to wait until this screen pops up with the COKOINO ESP. Hit that one time and it's going to say connecting, and just let it go for a little while. And once the connection is done, and it says that connected without internet, don't be alarmed. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click the main screen, and then you're going to I forgot one step we need to do. So before we click that my Wi-Fi scanner, you need to install that APK file, and I can't remember if I already told you that. And then you do the my Wi-Fi, do the steps I just showed you, and lastly you're gonna click on the robot icon. And then once that's done, then the screen on the left upper side must say 192.168.4.1. Disregard what your network is. It can be completely different network, okay? But this is what has to be in here, because the phone app is going to talk directly to the little robot. Then the port has to say 3001, and then I turn that remember me, and then you click on connect. Now right now I'm connected here, so you can see what I'm doing, and right now there we go, and it says welcome to connect, so on and so forth. And then what we can do is we can actually control the robot. I'm gonna have to put it over here so it doesn't anyway, as you can see, it moved. I was clicking on the arrows on the left bottom, on the left side of the screen. And one other thing I would recommend is that I had to, on that program that you upload to the little robot, if you look at the sketch, there are places where it starts at like 1200 or 800, and then it says minus 800, and so on and so forth. What I did is I actually went and I changed all those to 2500. I left the minuses wherever the minuses are, and then there's no minus, then there's maybe another minus. So I typed in 2500, overwritten whatever was in there, okay? And that you can do in the Arduino IDE, and that's how you basically upload the software packages into the robot, okay? So hopefully that you'll be able to now use the phone, and it's much more fun than this little thing. You know, I don't know, the phone app works for me better, okay? So if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Of course, there are other helps you can get directly from the company. They, just like I keep repeating myself, but it's on this card, and COKOINO at outlook.com, okay? And then the files, of course, you get them at this GitHub address right here, okay? And otherwise than that, I'm going to wish you a great day and have a lot of fun with this robot.